In our life, uncertainty surrounds us all the time. You never know when an emergency or disaster will strike and convert your outdoor adventure into a survival crisis. After an emergency, you may have to survive for several days, so keeping a survival kit is a great idea to face the situation. Survival kits are the right combination of life-saving items for any emergency. There are many survival kits available in the market. Here we assist you in picking the top 5 best survival kits. Let's check them out.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so that viewer can make their proper decision.
An overcrowded, disorganized survival backpack is useless. Surviveware Responder 72 Hours Backpack performs the thinking for you with quality tools, supplies, and gears in an organic bag. Included in this bag are first aid supplies for road bumps and scrapes. Once safe, use an emergency tent for shelter. Anchor with reflective paracord and make fire with a titanium-coated survival knife. Strains and sprains need 18-inch splints. Duct tape and glow sticks are used to fix and create new tools. Cable ties to secure and fasten, crank a radio with solar panel and USB connector for weather updates. This set includes storm-proof matches to start fires, a live straw water filter, an emergency plan booklet, food pouches, 2 water pouches, 2 pockets, wet wipes, goggles, and a whistle with a compass, 2 sleeping bags, and an N95 mask. It features a waterproof poncho. This bag includes everything you need to take your readiness to the next level. Disasters can strike anytime, anywhere, to anyone, as Emergency Case knows all too well. 5 unique systems are contained in a waterproof, well-organized and mobile case that you can use during a natural disaster. Kits for storing and using food and water, sleeping arrangements, medical supplies, and safety and tool supplies are all included in this list of 5 essential emergency supplies. You'll not become a field medic because of a disaster, but you may need more medical equipment than a band-aid to treat it. In the absence of first responders, its advanced medical system helps you to provide care. It can stop blood flow, deal with strains and breaks, seals and cover wounds, alleviate burn pain, administer analgesics. Collapsible water bottles, 2.5-gallon water storage, the cutting-edge Sawyer filtration system, ready-to-eat sandwiches, and more are all part of our food and water systems. Also included are sleeping bags and a shelter. With the emergency case, you can be ready for anything that may come your way. The survival kit contains everything necessary for a person to survive the first 72 hours following a disaster. A pack containing 72 hours worth of survival supplies is compactly organized and easily transportable. Using equipment tested by first responders, survival experts, and mountain guides, the system offers the most effective equipment for the direst conditions. This pack includes a first aid kit, emergency food rations, fire starters, an emergency shelter, a tri-band radio, a water filter, and a multi-tool, among other survival items. With padded hip straps, a highly breathable back system, and ventilated shoulder straps, the 72's harness won't rub you the wrong way and is easily adaptable to accommodate users of various sizes and body types. So, the survival kit can indeed be a lifesaver. The America Emergency Survival Kits will prepare you for any emergency no matter where you are. This survival kit contains the necessary items for 2 individuals to live for 3 days, that means 72 hours, and is also recommended by the American Red Cross. It has a 33-piece first aid kit and easily accessible medical supplies for minor injuries including bandages and wound healing remedies. It is also ideal for car emergency kits and boat accessories. In case of emergency, it will provide you with food, water, an emergency blanket, 2 survival food bars, and a water pouch. Also, along with a 5-year shelf life, a survival blanket, disposable dust mask, nitrile gloves, whistle, ponchos, and pocket tissues. This emergency pack has 2 safety light sticks for use in the dark or bush. Eventually, as it includes survival equipment for hunting, boating, work, camping, backpacking, fishing, hiking, and travel, this America Emergency Survival Kit could be the one you're looking for. The Scout Kit includes the essentials for survival, such as a shelter, a fire, and a signaling device so you can stay safe and be located. You can bring the Scout Kit on any excursion where exposure to the elements is a concern. Due to its F-welded roll closure, this dry bag is impervious to water even in the event of extended submersion. The pack contains a selection of life-saving necessities including a survival blanket that reflects 90% of body heat, a firelight, a hand-operable speaker, and a rapid, waterproof fire-starting tender have been incorporated for fire. Once you are wrapped in a blanket and have started a fire, it is time to signal rescuers using 100 decibel tiny rescue howler whistle and several rescue flash signal mirrors with retro-reflecting capable of flashing a flash over 10 kilometers. Plus, with bonus goods like duct tape, a liquid-damped compass, and a fishing and sealing kit, you may fix equipment, navigate, and even catch lunch while you wait for rescue, or if you know the way, head back home.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.